Bitch.
Healthcare is a data-rich industry. It is complex because it incorporates several interconnected information, intensive domains, and it is dynamic since knowledge is constantly evaluated and increased. Information systems aid in the delivery of services on several levels. They help with operations like planning, management process, performance, and data collecting and information recording. Improve efficiency and accuracy in the use of health data can save lives. Over the last 2 decades, technological advancements has resulted in significant changes in surgical practice, resulting in improved patients' outcomes. The introduction of new technology enabled additional advancements in limited access surgery. The first laparoscopic operations was performed in 1987, ushering in the era of minimally invasive surgical. Moving on to robotic surgery. As the name implies, robotic surgery is a surgery performed by a robot. Robots are computer-controlled or assisted equipment with advanced sensing and display technology that can be programmed to perform surgical tasks. The most frequent surgical robot control is a repeating motion that maps the motions of the surgeon's hand to the action of the surgical instruments. It is minimally invasive surgery, which means it can conduct complex surgical methods via small incision with very little scar tissue. In this case, the robot is the instrument, much as a knife or a pair of forceps would be to the surgeon. The surgeon will sit at the robot's controls using high definition 3D cameras to guide the surgical tools at the end of the robot's arms, as we can see from the picture. Next, background history of robotic surgery. The Puma 560 is a robot employed in 1985 to conduct neurosurgical biopsies with higher accuracy. 3 years later, the Puma 560 is used to conduct a transurethral resection of the prostate. The current robotic surgical system that we have now. Number one, the Da Vinci system. The Da Vinci system is made up of 3 main parts. Number one, a viewing and control console used by the surgeon. Number two, a vision card that carries the endoscopes and offer visual input. Number three, a surgical robot's manipulator arm unit which may have 3 or 4 arms depending on the model. The device connected to the arms are specialized. Clamping, cutting, suturing, tissue manipulation, cauterizing, and other functions are available to them, as we can see from the picture. Researchers have created a new generation of commercial laparoscopic surgical robots, such as Zeus and Da Vinci surgical systems, Artemis, a master-slave manipulator system. This system comprises of 2 robotic arms that a surgeon operates through a control panel. And then the ASAP system, a voice-activated robotic endoscope, and the complete master-slave surgical robotic system. And then Raven and Miro Search robots, Freehand and Telelab ALFX tele-operated surgical systems, Nero Arm and Mr. Bot robots, Artemis for cardiac surgery, flexible endoscopic systems such as Transbot and Cobra, and last but not least, NeoGuide, Anubiscope, and R-Scope. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Alizo bin Abdul Wahid, matrix number A177834. Robotic surgery is a sophisticated interactive system. While this technology offers numerous advantages for patients, the implementation of interactive technology into healthcare practice often leads to unforeseen outcomes that are difficult to anticipate. Robotic surgery eliminates some of the constraints of laparoscopic surgery, perhaps allowing more patients to benefit from MIS. Through intuitive instrument handling, tremor reduction, and motion scaling, robotic surgery allows the surgeon to attain incredible accuracy. Robotic surgery can be used for a variety of procedures such as coronary artery bypass, removing cancer tissues, and more. When we are talking about the advancement intelligence system for robotic surgery, there are many types of it, and it has been used in our medical industry until now. Also, with the help of this new trend in surgical system automation, surgeons may teleoperate the system from a distant location with the help of modern intelligence technology, which I will explain some of it, such as using a position sensing, force sensing, haptic, and wearable eyeglasses. By using position sensing, it can help to improve position sensing technology and also improve their performance during surgeries. Location input, which includes the relative position of the robotic joints and the curvature of flexible elements, is critical for improving system accuracy. For force sensing, it helps haptic give feedback to send the force information from the enslaved person to the master side through a haptic device to simulate the force contact between the surgical instrument and human tissue. For haptic, it refers to the sense of touch, which allows human to grasp and manipulate object, feel and distinguish different surface properties of materials. And the last one is wearable eyeglasses, which is a technology that refers to any supporting gadget worn on the body or integrated into clothing, such as advanced wearable eyeglasses for real-time vision and training. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Saiful Hisham and my metric number is A177843. I will continue with the advanced intelligence system for robotic surgery. Before this, my friends Muhammad Nanizol already explained about the first four advanced intelligence system for robotic surgery, which is position sensing, force sensing, haptic, and wearable eyeglasses. Now I will continue with the thermal sensing. Thermal sensing is the fast development of surgical robots, necessitate the development of accompanying sensing device and procedures. The next is the procedure system, which is the maintaining working space for surgical tools, and visibility is critical during surgical operation. Another one is the electrosurgery, which is the operating concept of an electrosurgery system is based on high frequency and alternate electric current at different voltage. Another one is the control algorithm. There is the range of the control method that, depending on the individual features of each teleoperation system, can enhance system stability during operation with little or non-linear hysteresis and backlash. The next is the visual imaging, which is most robotic operation really on a high quality camera and video display to offer visual input to the surgeon throughout the procedure. And the last one is the actuation, which is the actuator are remotely positioned away from the end effector and a surgical site to drive the surgical instrument, providing a safe and a straightforward option for a lightweight device to work within the human body. Thank you.
Advantages of robotic surgery. Robotic surgery has several benefits because they eliminate many of the challenges associated with conventional surgery. Robotic surgical instruments with more freedom improve the surgeon's ability to handle instruments and tissue. They can scale movement, allowing enormous movement of the control grips to be converted into micro motion inside the patient. Another significant advantage is the re-establishment of optimal hand-eye coordination with an ergonomic posture. The surgeon no longer needs to twist and spin under challenging posture to manipulate the tool. Robotic surgery is less intrusive. The patient suffers minor discomfort and a faster recovery. A typical surgery, for example, a liver resection, might put a patient in hospital for a week or more. Using a robot decreases a hospital stay to 1 or 2 days only. Some surgical ranging from orthopedic operation to neurological treatment need a high level of precision. One slip of the scalpel or misplaced pair of forceps might inflict harm or even death. Surgical robot could reduce the risk of fatigue-related mistake and medical negligence. Surgery robot enable the surgeon to sit comfortably while doing the procedure. Robotic surgery is now provide improved accuracy, precision, dexterity, tremor correction, and skill motion. Those advantages lead to more effective procedure and less incision cuts. Overall, robotic system outperform unassisted surgeons in terms of accuracy and precision. Disadvantages of robotic surgery. Robotic surgery is sophisticated interactive system, while this technology offers numerous advantages for patients. The implementation of interactive technology into healthcare practice frequently leads to unforeseen outcomes that are difficult to predict. Robotic surgery is a new technology, and its application and usefulness have yet to be adequately demonstrated. As technology advances and more expertise is required with robotic systems, some feel that the price will decline. It is impossible to predict whether the price of the system will reduce or increase. Their price tag of $1 million is practically outrageous. How much money will hospital and healthcare organizations have to spend on upgrades, and how frequently will they have to do so? Another disadvantages of those systems is their size. It is quite large footprint and a bulky robotic arm. This is a significant disadvantage in the overcrowded operating rooms. The majority of the disadvantages highlighted will be resolved as time and technology progress. Only time will tell whether or not using those systems is worthwhile. It seems unlikely that a robot will put in every operating room until they reduce the cost of the routine procedure.
Hi, very good day everyone. I'm Azhar Abdul Aziz, matrix number A178420. Again, we know about the impact of robotic surgery on decision making, which is with the adoption of robot assisted systems, there is a growing requirement for training. So next is about surgical robots today and future. Trends toward higher use of the robotic platform appear to develop quickly after hospitals began conducting robotic surgery and were linked to a decline in the use of existing minimally invasive methods such as laparoscopic surgery. In ethical point of view, the potential of high-tech robot system to assist, treat or instruct patients will be realized only when they are made available to the entire population. This will be determined mainly by funding traditional therapies and robotic replacements. If funding for the robotic health system is not secure, research and development investment will be lost. Furthermore, the rising gap between what may and cannot be done may cross ethical bounds. So the conclusion, as hurdles to the patient and provider adoption of digital healthcare diminish, the future will undoubtedly witness the rise of ever more sophisticated technological tools such as artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms for robotic surgery. Healthcare organizations are progressing beyond pre-pandemic standards and using this opportunity to catch up with technology adoption rates. Surgical robotics is a cutting-edge technology that has much potential. Robotic surgery is frequently lauded as the new revolution, and it is one of the most discussed topics in surgery today. Until now, however, the market has primarily driven the need to create and purchase robotic equipment. There is little question that they will become an essential instrument in the surgical arsenal, but the amount that will be used is still being determined. Soon it will outnumber manual laparoscopic surgery. The advantages can ultimately outweigh the negative with the right skill and technology. Communication delay is more challenging barrier to be overcome before this technology can be more prominent role in the medical community. Innovation will continue to enhance healthcare to benefit patients since it is at the heart of every surgeon's intellect and attitude. Today, the most significant decision is to equip healthcare personnel and organizations to join others in this beautiful endeavor without falling behind. After all, the patients are entitled to the finance effort possible. Thank you.